On November 2, 2024, the city of Matsuyama in Ehime Prefecture issued an urgent Level 5 safety alert to approximately 189,552 residents across 10 districts, urging them to evacuate immediately due to severe flood risks. This is Japan's highest warning level, activated when a natural disaster is highly likely to be occurring or imminent. Residents in vulnerable areas, including the Akidogo, Ayu, Shint, W-Hori, Orori, Hiya, Shami, and Shimizu districts, were instructed to seek safe, elevated locations away from flood zones and unstable slopes. Witnesses have shared dramatic footage on social media, depicting floodwaters from the Okawa and Kumagawa rivers overflowing their banks, inundating streets and submerging buildings up to adult height in some areas. The Japan Meteorological Agency attributes this extreme weather to the remnants of Typhoon Kong-Ray, which, along with a low-pressure system, has brought unprecedented heavy rain and thunderstorms to western Japan. Matsuyama and nearby Imabari have already recorded rainfall exceeding 100 millimeters in a single hour, an all-time high for November in these regions. Throughout Ehime Prefecture, residents are facing compounded threats of landslides, swollen rivers, and flash floods as unrelenting rainfall and gusty winds continue to strain the landscape. Across the region, transportation has been severely disrupted, with Junior Shikaku suspending services on several lines due to rain gauge warnings. Additionally, operations on the Tokaido Shinkansen line were halted briefly between Tokyo and Shinosaka, while local buses and trains remain suspended to ensure public safety. Emergency response teams and local authorities are on high alert, urging residents to stay indoors if already in safe buildings, avoid non-essential travel, and closely monitor weather updates. Further east, parts of Shimane, Yamaguchi, Shizuoka, and Kanagawa are also experiencing intense rainfall, prompting additional flood and landslide warnings. The risk of landslides remains high as saturated soil continues to destabilize, especially near rivers and mountainous areas. As rain continues into the night, residents are advised to remain vigilant and prioritize safety until conditions improve.